Welcome to Vedang And Ridhang'S world. Today we are going to make Bourbon Modak. It is a very simple recipe and it uses only basic ingredients like bourbon, ghee, milk and a Modak mold. So come on, let's begin. So now let's start by putting all the bourbon biscuits into a blender. So now let's blend this. So now let's pour milk. We have also taken a bit of powdered sugar. Grease the mold with ghee. In the meantime, we can make balls for the modak. Let's put the balls inside the modak. We can cut off the extra part using a knife. Now we can open it. So, our bourbon modaks are ready. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi!